everyone, myself Sangeeta Paudel. I am currently a third semester master's student in agriculture under the Department of Rural Sociology and Development Studies at Agriculture and Forestry University, Rampur.
Today I will present my study on fall armyworm, a serious pest of maize crops. In this presentation, we will see how to identify this pest, the damage it causes, and the best ways to manage it effectively. First, I conducted field scouting in maize crops at different growth stages from young vegetative plants to silking and grain filling. The purpose of this scouting was to observe plant health and detect any early signs of fall armyworm infestation, which is critical to prevent yield loss. Here we saw the fall armyworm larva, scientifically known as Sporoptera frugipoda. It is usually found inside maize holes feeding on young leaves. Observing these larvae in the field help us confirm the presence of this pest and plan timely control measures. Identifying fall armyworm is important for early intervention. The larva has a Y-shaped marking on its head, 4 small dots along the body, and a square of 4 dark spots on the second last segment. Its body is smooth and fine. Grainy frost is often visible near feeding sites. Recognizing these features ensures we can detect infestations before they cause major damage. Understanding the life cycle of fall armyworm helps us manage it better. The adult moth lays eggs on young maize plants which hatch in 3 to 5 days. The larvae feed on maize for 2 to 4 weeks before burrowing into the soil to pupate for 7 to 14 days. Adults then emerge and live for about 11 to 14 days, completing the cycle. Each stage indicates the best timing for management. Fall armyworm causes visible damage at all stages of maize growth. Young larvae scrape the leaves, creating window pane-like patches. As they mature, they chew irregular holes, causing significant foliar damage. Another early sign is moist sawdust-like frass around the holes. Feeding on silks and developing ears can reduce pollination and grain yield. Recognizing these symptoms helps us act promptly. Control and management. Managing fall armyworm requires an integrated approach. Biological control uses natural enemies like Trichogramma, wasps, and Beauveria bassiana fungi. Chemical control involves selective insecticides or organic options like neem oil applied early. Mechanical control such as hand-picking larvae or removing infested plants is effective for small-scale fields. Push-pull strategy. A sustainable approach is the push-pull strategy. The push component uses Desmodium to repel larvae from maize, while the pull component uses Napier grass to attract and trap them. This method reduces pest pressure and chemical use, providing an eco-friendly way to protect the crop. Last but not the least, in summary, fall armyworm is a serious pest of maize that requires early detection, regular scouting, accurate identification, and integrated management strategies are essential. Sustainable methods like push-pull can further reduce damage and protect maize yield effectively. Acknowledgement. I would like to thank the Department of Rural Sociology and Development Studies, the Department of Extension and Rural Sociology, AFU Podcast, and Green Minds for their guidance and support. Thank you very much for your attention. I am happy to answer any questions you may have.